What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now you can pick this up from Spectrum, you can pick it up from any other phone retail store, but I got mine from Spectrum. So let's get into it. And I got the 256 gigabytes Royal Glow. I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna box and see what you get inside the box. You got the phone. This little flap thing right here says Samsung. You got the fast charging brick. I'm gonna take that out. Wait, yes I am. You got the pin removal tips and a USB Type C to, let me see, a USB Type C to USB, and this is the micro USB Type C charging cable, and then you get some AKG headphones. These do actually sound good. Now, let me put this back. Let me put this stuff back in here. I'll do it later. Now for the phone, buttons on this side. Oh, they moved the button from this side to this side. You got the up and down volume controls at the top, SIM card tray, mic, and another mic at the bottom, USB Type C charging port, and a speaker. And I think this is the antenna line. I'm not sure. Let's power it on. And while it goes on, I'm gonna compare it to an iPhone XS Max and a Note 8. But right now it's just a quick unboxing video. There we go. Look at this screen. Wow. See, I got this color. Look how shiny that is. And look how bright it is. It's a nice phone. Now, what an iPhone at? It's a little bit taller than the iPhone. Yep, taller than the iPhone. Yep. But yeah, this is just a little quick unboxing video. I'm gonna make a real review later this week. But I'm gonna use the phone for a whole week straight. I'm gonna make a review later this week. Alright? Thanks for watching. Peace.